to Diamond Art with Dell. Today I'm doing an unboxing of some Diamond Dotz diamond paintings. I have this little fellow, he's a partial, and this wonderful piece, Cafe at Night from Van Gogh, full drill. These are my first and at this stage only Diamond Dotz paintings brand. So I wanted to unbox them for you guys before I have a look myself. So I know a lot of people have had this brand. I've seen it on other people's videos. So I've been wanting, like looking at the quality, I've been wanting my own, of course. So I was very lucky to be gifted these from my family members for my birthday. So far as the places where they were purchased and costs, I can only estimate and so forth, but they would have bought these not online, they would have bought these in stores similar to your local Spotlight or something like that, at also in craft shop. So I have seen this one retailing anything from $60 to $80 Australian, and this one around that $35, $40, $45 Australian mark. So that's, as I say, I can only give that as a guesstimate of prices I've seen either in shops myself or online. So for starters, I've got the two here to have a look at. I thought we'll have a look just at the packaging for a start. It's beautiful texture, beautiful, nice gloss. It's got feel to it. The image is, beautifully presented onto the box. You've got instructions, how it works, etc. Follow the diamond dots, all put out nicely for you, especially if you're a first time driller. There's what the kit contains is also listed. You have your printed fabric, your sort of dots and wax candy, etc. in there. So that's all lovely, well presented. And this one's called Baby Tiger Roly Poly. If anyone wants to reference that later. So yeah, I think we might just open one at a time. And we'll have a look at this one in a moment. So I'm just going to sit that over there. Just saying, looking at the packaging, they're beautifully. It has a nice texture. You feel the quality when you're just picking up a box like this. Squaws me while I try to find the end. I did open, so it's well sealed there. And when I open the box at the end, that's what you can see. Okay, so that's there, all that in there. There's your canvas and drills. So we'll pull that out there, and also inside the box is of course our canvas. Okay. Alrighty, so something you see with the Diamond Dotz brand, they're sealed nicely in this plastic container, tubing, whatever you like to call it, protection. And straight away you can feel the difference in the canvas compared to a lot of other ones you'll buy. The edge is all cut beautifully, all scalloped edging sort of type thing there, and just those little dots there just to, I think, protect from fraying, etc. That will focus, there we go, that's a bit better. So that's all around the edge. It's very exciting. Very nice. Okay. So I'm just going to unroll this real careful like. So, oops, she's going to roll back up. Hang on a minute. So in there, I've found they provide a very detailed instruction sheet in multiple languages, because that's what we really want to see. This is roly-poly. And there's roly-poly. Now, size, it's all written on the side here. Baby tiger, roly-poly, AB, so it's an ABB, it's in this one. The design size is 35.5 by 27.9 centimetres, or 14 by 11 inches. It's holding that sort of from curling up too much at the moment. The fabric size, which is obviously your full canvas size, is 43 by 35 centimetres, or 16.9 by 13.8 inches. It also has an image on the side here of the full picture and the drill area. This is it. And you have your key up this side of the canvas. There we go. Where am I? Oh, this side's probably better. Get the right angle. And you've got some very nicely done symbols and slash serial numbers on this one, it says. It's going to be pretty. The background, of course, is photo image, which you can have a bit more closer look. It's very, very well done. Like this, it's got a, nice texture, I suppose you could call it. The texture to it's good, but the colour is really nice. Like, there's no marks or anything I can see at this stage, or anything there. No, nothing. Alright, so what I'm going to try and do is straighten this out a little bit. And being a partial, this works to a degree. But I can just pop that under the flattening pile. DC's, let's have a look at the DC while we've got this going anyway. I'm trying to see. You can see that in there. A few little runny bits, but in the middle centre there, the rest is pretty good. But just think there, the centre is sort of a little bit but he's beautiful, and I mean he's going to come up really nice, I think, too. Quick look. The symbols look like they're printed pretty well. I've got to put my goggles on to see that properly. Yeah, would you say they're pretty fair? I say they're pretty good. He's cute. I like him. Nice thick canvas, much heavier than some of the ones I've had anyway. Alright, so in this package here, of course you've got the title, Baby Tiger Roly Poly, on the thing, DD5005. So that would be identification to that type, that, what do you call it, canvas, number, serial, whatever thing. So we'll open this up. Sorry about the crackling. We'll have a look at one of the very important parts of this thing, is the drills. I should just leave just there. There's not a lot of drills in this, obviously, because it's partial. Let's have a quick look through the kits that are provided for these. Usually in a zip bag. We have one of the clear sparkly single placer pens, which are very nice. I quite like those. Yes, you'd only need a single placer for such a kit, so I don't see. We have multiple zip bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. So you get 10 bags. So 16 colours, 10 bags. Very good. Put that over there. Also in there we have a little squishy. What do you call these? Little finger protector doohickey, a yellow one. You can go on your pen. Oops. Yeah, that way maybe. I don't know. They go on there somehow. I know this because I've had them on before. There you go. Voila! So they go on there and they're supposed to help protect your fingers from, I know, callus from doing diamond dot paintings too much. So anyway, we've got the drill pin. We have a tree, a grey tree. Good ridging and a pourer. Just the usual size, nothing huge, but perfect for this kind of size painting, I think. And our wax, which has got the Diamond Dotz emblem on the little container. So it'll keep your wax fresh. Okay, so this is, it's quite thicker, a little bit thicker chunk. Not a very small chunk, but, and it has instructions. Peel off. That's always good. So that can go into that little container there, and I mean that is definitely enough wax for this size painting for sure. And I mean you can easily just refill that with other little waxes you've got. And that's a nice little traveller. Look after your little bits and pieces there. Cute. I like that little tin. I'll be using that a bit more when I go on my travels when I'm doing my diamond painting. Alrighty, let's have a look at the very important drills. And they are very important because this is what makes and breaks sometimes some paintings, I think. Now first off we'll start with they are round drills. These are round, lovely, beautiful round drills. As I said, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 colours. Okie dokie doodah. Where's the start of this thing? Okay, number 1. So we've got a nice round, like, no real obvious issues. They look very clean. Clean, beautiful drills. Okay, so let's have a look. So we've got these peachy colours. You can see there. Going into darker peach colours. That one there, the tan colours. Just looking. Yeah, no, I thought because I was so sparkly, I thought there were AB ones in there, but they're just those little soft tans for his fur. And that is some really nice shades. And then a little bit darker, like a really dark brown. I don't know what colour red you call that. No, past cherry, I don't know what that is. And of course, your Aurora Borealis. Are they picking up there? The Aurora Borealis, those ones. Camera, pick up something good. Yeah, sometimes you get a flicker of what's going on with the camera, but yeah, they're very pretty. Very pretty. Some regular whites. And black and blue. Not much of that colour, but you know, you probably don't need it either. So there we have it. That's the unboxing of Baby Tiger Roly Poly from Diamond Dotz. Now, the box is obviously bigger than my other one when you compare the two box sizes. So we're obviously getting a bigger painting. Cafe at Night Van Gogh. You got the image on the box, so you know what you're looking at there. Another small image here as well to help you see a more fuller picture. Diamond Dotz brand, how it works, basic instructions there on the side that help people understand what they're buying for the first time, and what your kit contains, which is of course your fabric, your diamond dots, your stylus, crafter, wax, candy, etc. Okie dokie. Easy, fun, spectacular. All-inclusive facet kit. Awesome. Alrighty. So once again, the box does feel good. It's a nice solid box. So solid it doesn't even want to come open. I'm just going to undo that tape and whatnot at that end. And once you open the box, inside, the canvas is obviously bigger. It doesn't say, I thought it said somewhere about the canvas size on the box. Maybe I'm going batty, but I'm sure it said that. Yeah, well, whatever. Our canvas, whatever. I think the boxes will give you an idea on what size your canvases are. Maybe I read that somewhere else, I don't know. And of course, the drills. And this one also has some AB drills in it. So, as beautiful as this box is, and I will store this in here until I'm ready to do, I'm going to pop that aside. Rightio. So that's the drills. We'll get to those in just a jiffy. Again, it's got the nice plastic covering. Very nice to be able to open these pieces. They just roll gently inside there, like so that's reducing any creases and things. There's no foam roller or anything like that inside, but they are just rolled like so. Just softly so they don't crease the edges. There's a bit of a bend, but it's not creased. All very smooth to touch, nice canvas. Again with that edging, nice edging. Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah. And it's easy. I like those other plastic coverings, you know, the opaque ones, but this is nice to be able to see the image, isn't it? That's a nice, and they've got quite a thick, clear plastic cover on these. Oh my, oh my. Again with some instructions, I'm sure they're the same as the last one. Okay. What's going on there? Oh. Bit of God knows what. Bit of rubbish. That's okay. Doesn't affect the painting, that's all that matters. Ta-da! Wow, that's just keeping in shot, isn't it? So it says on the side down here, right down, my fingers are right down the bottom of the image here, it says Diamond Area, which shows the whole picture. Cafe at Night, Van Gogh AB, design size is 42 by 52 centimeters, which is 16.5 by 20.5 inches. The fabric size, which is the full canvas area, is 49.5 by 60 centimeters or 19.5 by 23.6 inches. We have a very long key of 31 colours. Love the colours. It is not doing it any justice, that video, I tell you. It's beautiful in real life. And I have seen this one finished, and it does look beautiful. This area down the bottom is probably going to be the nightmare, so I'll probably start there first, because just looking at the symbols and the colours, it's very confettied, all this footpath area. But I was prepared for that when I decided I would buy it. With these, have got some really big areas there, the same symbol going along the sides of the buildings and that, so that will be a lot quicker. This area is just one big symbol nearly all together there, so this area will be nice and easy to quickly go through. Let's have a look at the sides here of the, what do you call it. Your key. Fucking that shine, that'd be great. It's so shiny because it's got that plastic coating on it. Move over there a little bit so I can see. Alrighty. So there you go, there's your best I can get it key. For some reason, because if I shine it that way it doesn't want to go. So it's really well printed. I mean, there's some... On this we have got some real funky looking symbols, I suppose you could say. But they're printed so clearly, so you know, like it's not like they're not splashed out on the ink, etc. So yeah, as weird as some of those might be, they're very well. And just even the canvas itself, as you can see, it's really well coloured. Really well coloured print on there. Try not to shine with that glossy cover. And you can see the symbols quite well. So that's that real busy area down the bottom. And that's still great because the dark colours have got the white and print, etc. And they don't look like there's anything too similar next to each other at this stage, but time will tell. Because I think that's something that's really, you know, funky symbols are cool, but when they start being too close together and you've got O's as well as, you know, an O with a slash through it or something like that right next to each other, or B's and D's and stuff that gets all a bit cross-eye. But yeah, I really do like this piece. So it's going to be a little bit consuming here, but just the whole thing is going to be marvellous, isn't it? Just marvellous, marvellous. So I'll have a quick look at the adhesive. As you can see, this is a full drill coverage of that size. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I've got that little not quite right run on this one as well. If you can see that, quite easy to pick this one up. So there we go, sitting a bit better now. Going to have a quick look through the drills, as you can see there. These are also rounds and have at least one colour I can see anyway. It's got an AB coating in it. And the kits are in with the drills. So that's just the way they package. Okay, so that's me 30 and 31. Sorry about all the crunchy noises. Alright, so that's our drills. We'll get to them. This has got pretty much the exact same kit. Just counting quickly. About the same amount of bags, so I'm pretty sure. I'll just make sure of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, 10 bags. So it's the exact same kit for 31 drills as you get for 16, I think it was. Let's look at the drills. As you can see, they've got 1 to 9 basically on this sheet. From 10 to 19 on that particular sheet. And that's the others. 25, yeah. So if you like, you can go that way. I know they're a bit upside down, but at least it gives you some idea of what sort of drills mounts you've got there. So that'll be all your drills. Look at those beautiful colours though, aren't they just stunning? I can. Okay, so you actually get 2 bags of black. So, well, you can assume they're black. I call that black. Round. These are rounds. You got sort of olive green going into some blues, different shades of blue there. So it's a very colourful piece, this. Into reds, greens and browns. The drills are very nice drills. Very sparkly, very clean looking. Can't see any initial first glimpse type faults on that. So this is numbers 10 to 19 coming through. A lot of that blue. You know, brick colour. Some more different shades of blue. A lot of different shades of blue, but they're all over the place. And some more greens, etc. Beautiful reds and so forth, and another tan. I'm hoping you can pick up some of the sparkles because they are sparkling nicely. Alright, and this is drills 20 to 29. Going through all the oranges there, and some reds. Into your sort of musty colours for the bricks, etc. Limey greens. To really nice bright yellows. Beautiful shades, different shades of yellow. And 30 and 31. So the yellow in number 30 is one with Aurora Borealis on it there. Trying to get that to pick up for you. It's a bit hard, but I think you can sort of. There we go, a little bit there. It's hard to get to catch the light in this room properly. And the other little colour is that light blue. So, there you are with your 31 colours for your Van Gogh Diamond Dot. There we are. We'll have another quick look at that one. I will, when I finish this will be hanging on my wall for sure. I'm going to do this one and really enjoy it, I think. And of course, this little cutie pie, which also had a little bit of glue issues, didn't it? Doesn't want to stay, so I'll just have to help him. Just a wee touch. There we go. Alright. So, thank you very much for watching. Do appreciate your time. And I hope you're having a lovely day. And I hope you're having some time to do some diamond art. But I'm going to sign off now and say, bead your life beautiful with diamond art and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.